In this short video, we are going to show you how to use the new Candlelight Bluetooth. Download Slide app and open it. Touch the button where you see a big plus and connect your device with RGB module. Now you can switch on the candlelight. Press the candlelight icon. Now you can decide the color and the intensity of the light. Connect the other candlelight modules where you see the plus button. Now you can control 4 modules at the same time. Click the word Groups that you see on the screen. Group All is created automatically. Switch on all candlelights, change colors and then switch them off. Click again on Groups. Create a group of 2 candlelight modules. Create the second group. Use the 2 groups as you prefer. And switch off both groups.